Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm going to do one more on how you would cut this out because we've stopped our hairlines, and so this would not cut out, but it's very easily done. Just select the whole thing. Well, first of all, our thing is like 4 inches, so we're going to make our nudge factor 5 inches. Then we're going to select the whole thing, and we're going to put a boundary. And then if you look, we can move the boundary over, and that's our cut shape. But we need to get rid of all these hairlines. So I'm going to try no lines. And that didn't work because I've deleted all the lines. So what you need to do there is just delete. These lines won't hurt you because they should be there we go. So now I've deleted all the hairlines. There are still some hairlines in here, so when whoever's doing this, make sure you don't have any hairlines. You can actually see that red hairline right there. So what you could do is just take it away and see what happens and move it. And now there should be no hairline. Of course, I've been working with so much, I think I've got copies on top of copies. So let's try deleting it. So now you have no hairlines on that, but there are some hairlines. But then since we haven't changed our nudge distance, we can nudge our cut line back over. And there you have a cut item. And I would still, because you don't, let's say you didn't draw this yourself, there could still be some hairlines in there, like it's just hard to tell. I would, if I was doing this for myself, I would do this. Let's just get rid of this stuff right now. I would nudge this off the page and just run that as an engraving. And then come back and don't do a combination job, and then move it over and run that as a cut job. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.